Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so excited you're here tonight for this wonderful collaboration. I'm super excited about it, and I can't wait to get started. I'll have all of the channels listed below for this wonderful collaboration. Be sure to check out and subscribe to all the other channels. I am so happy to be part of this wonderful collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, co-host Design with Emma, Being Mel B, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Decorate with Us, and me, Jennifer at Home. Other channels may also be listed below. I am going to make a super easy, super delicious, wonderful fall cookie. This cookie has pumpkin puree, butterscotch chips, an egg, and a spice cake mix. Only 4 ingredients. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you and with all of my friends in the collaboration. This recipe only takes a couple of minutes to put together, and it only takes 17 minutes to bake in the oven. So within a half an hour, you can gather your ingredients, have your cookies done and baked and ready to go. Here in the bowl, I have 1 egg, and I put in my 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Now I'm going to just pour my cake mix in. Mix your batter just until mixed, and then it's time to fold in the butterscotch chips. When folding ingredients into a recipe, it's always a great idea just to put down a pot holder, and that way you can easily turn your bowl. Let's pour in the chips and fold them in. This is the perfect fall recipe. Pumpkin cookies, they smell absolutely amazing, and I haven't even baked them yet. Our oven is preheating to 350. Now just take a scoop or a spoon and just start putting the cookies on the parchment paper. Our oven is at 350. Now let's put our cookies in for 17 minutes. While our cookies are baking in the oven, I'm going to chop up some butterscotch chips. These will be the perfect garnish for our hot chocolate. These cookies just came out of the oven. They smell just magnificent. I cannot believe how wonderful my house smells. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe. And here's how the wonderful, delicious pumpkin butterscotch cookies turned out. They're super soft and super delicious. Wonderful cake cookies. I have my water boiling for a special butterscotch hot chocolate. Now let's put it together. Pour the water in, mix it up, and then I'll add my butterscotch syrup. Stir it again. Now it's time for the wonderful whipped cream and the chopped butterscotch morsels to put on top. I had so much fun being part of this wonderful collaboration. Don't forget to go down and check the links below to all of the other channels and participants. I would be so happy if you subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.